Hey y'all, so I'm back out in the shop with my dad, and we just put together this YITAHOME adjustable workbench. And honestly, it went together a lot quicker than we expected. The brand did send it over to us to try out, so thanks to them for partnering with us. But once it was set up, the first thing that we noticed was how solid it feels. This thing can hold up to 1,600 pounds, so it's built for real work, which it will definitely get a lot of out here in the shop. What's nice is that it has a height adjustment. So when you're putting it together, you can set it anywhere from about 27 inches to 39 inches. So it works whether you want to sit down and work at the table or if you want to stand up. Plus, it does come with wheels. So if you want to wheel it around like we're going to do out here in the shop, it's super easy to do. We can even roll it outside on the gravel and it rolls nice and easy for us. Or if you just want to make it stationary, it comes with the feet for that too. Another great feature that we really love is the built-in charging station, because a lot of times we're doing projects out here and we need to watch what we're doing on a phone because most manuals are put electronically nowadays. It has two USB ports and two regular outlets right on the side, so you can still charge your tools if you want to, without having cords all over the place. It's just really nice and neat, and it also comes with hooks to put on the side to hang stuff on, like extension cords or other tools. You can put drills at the bottom on the rack that it comes with too. It's got the pegboard type thing on the side. It's just really made for organization. I love that it's not just for the garage either. You could easily use it in an office or as a craft table or even a workstation in a shop or a food prep table. It's got so many different ways that it could be used. It's so versatile. It's one of those pieces that can fit into so many different spaces and still be just as useful. We absolutely love it. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.